Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, since I started a business, I've now had to have a printer. Well, I've picked up the Epson, and I actually found it at a Goodwill, and we took a chance. So this is the XP 5100. Now, what we had, it had the ink cartridges in it, and they have four actual cartridges. That particular model is going to be using the 202s, and that comes with, as you see, these are the old ones. It will come with these. Now, I've used it so much that I've got the setting on it that I just use black. So when you get your black, is going to come in a different pack. It doesn't come with the coloreds. So keep that in mind. You got to get a separate black. So when you put this thing in, you have a little tab right here. It was right here. You can pull that off. These have little tabs right here. Let's see if I can put some light on this. There we go. You got little tabs right here. Okay. And just push that and lock in. And the bottom down here has got a little plastic. Has got a little plastic thing covering it. As you can see, this one's punctured. This is the new one. I just took that little yellow sticker off of here. And as you can see, this has got a plastic thing on it. And don't pull that, okay? This thing down inside here is going to pierce that. So you're going to take this, you're going to line it up, because it's going to come straight out when you do it, okay? And a little line, going to line right up there. Just slide it in, slide it down, and then push it in into here, that lock. Here, click in, which means it punctured that little plastic cover. All right, so there we go. That's what that looks like, okay? And you're going to know you're out because you're going to have this little reading. You can see the little black is X, the other ones are good. And you do all your movements with your buttons here, left, right, okay, up, down, okay? And now that I'm done, see what happens when I see it move when I turn that, okay? So it's going to tell you how to, okay? And it tells you everything you want to know. Boom, boom, boom. And then remove the ink, and then again, cartridge down, push it in, okay, that's in, and you're gonna go okay. And now we're gonna go move over to completed, punch the button, and now it's going to set itself up, clean itself. Analyzing, wait. Everything went well. It's going to tell you it's good to go. Oh, it could take about 4 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Now it's sitting here. It's not doing anything. It's gone back and forth a couple of times, but it's still. These things are so complicated. If it don't work, you just, I don't know. I'm a mechanic. I don't do this one. All right, let's see where we are. Placement complete. And these are all, shoot with the other one awaiting, I guess. But there we go. We are done. Okay. All right, thanks for watching. If you've got an Epson, and it's a 5100, this is what you got to do. And it's going to tell you when you're out. Thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Dana's Vlogs. And the location of this is under this. This is your scanning top. But you just go ahead, you lift this up. Ooh, and it's hiding under here. You take it up, it will lock. And it'll lock up. So there you go. All right, thanks again. And of course, your button's right here in the middle. I'm going to turn it off. Just push it quick.
Thank you, my dear, for getting this set up, because it was not running right
just turn the
when we got it, as we know.